just met over here, Lethal Garage, and we are at CamaroCon 2018, and there is a lot more cars here than I thought there would be. I think we're approaching 700-800 range. The main lot is filled, and there's cars overflowed everywhere. But the biggest thing is online this morning, 10 o'clock on my YouTube channel. Well, I guess this video is going live later. I revealed what I'm putting on the car, but no one here really knows unless they watch that video. So right now, I'm gonna pop the hood, show off all the new goodness, everything at CamaroCon. Let's do it.
Here we go.
Here she is, brand new Whipple, 2.9 liter, new fuel injector connection, new fuel pump, Linga filter performance. This beast is putting down numbers like crazy. We'll reveal all those details soon, but right now, it's all about CamaroCon.
Invincible.
Okay, we checked out cars at CamaroCon. Yesterday was insane. Thank you to everybody who came out. But today is the last event of the CamaroCon weekend. So Friday was Lethal Garage Night, Saturday was CamaroCon, and today is the Mount Palomar to Lake Henshaw run. I don't know how many cars that will be there. We're headed over to the meet point. Starts at 9. We'll go from there. I got my co-pilot over here, Kyle, my son.
Hi.
He's hanging out with me today. So we're gonna go up the mountain and hopefully have a good day, drive safe, and go see some cool stuff. So let's do it. You ready?
Yep.
Let's go. Okay, we meet up to, I can't talk. We made it to the meet point for the Palomar cruise today. There's a couple cars here already. We got some cars. We're gonna have a good time today. Fun story, on the way here I got pulled over. I was breaking the law. Luckily the officer let me off with a warning. It may or may not have been because he was at CamaroCon with his son the day before, I don't know. Yeah, drive safe. I got on it a little bit. First straightaway I saw since I've had the supercharger on, and I may or may not have taken advantage of it. What do you think, son? Did I deserve the ticket?
Not really.
Not okay. Not really. Either or. So we're gonna get together. We'll see how many more cars show up. We're gonna hang out, I think, for about 20 minutes, and then we're gonna take off to Palomar and find our way to Lake Henshaw. Let's do it. Okay, we got all the cars, everybody's ready. We're gonna take our journey up the mountain, probably stop at Mother's Kitchen and then head down to East Grade and have a good day. So let's do this Palomar run. So we made it up the hill. We're technically at the southeast grade junction. Mother's Kitchen's just behind us, but this is kind of like a little state park area. It's really nice. It's cool up. Wow, it feels real nice outside right now.
It's just nice.
You must be loving it with the convertible.
Perfect.
Top down. Car coming down. But we all made it safely. No one flew off the road. It's all good. We have made it to Lake Henshaw. All the Camaros. No overheating problems from anybody. It's actually a beautiful day out.
Look at all the phones.
Looks good. Looks good. But there you have it. We're gonna go eat some lunch and hang out, but that basically concludes CamaroCon, man. CamaroCon 2018. Thank you everyone who showed up. Thanks to all the sponsors, all the vendors, everybody for hanging out, and everybody who drove from so far away for the event. It means so much to me, corn-fed and rice-fed, that we've been able to put together an event that you guys are interested and want to come out to. So we definitely want to hear your thoughts on what you think we could do better. We already have a big list of things, or like, you know what, we could do all of this better. We'll share it more, and CamaroCon 3 is just going to be better for it. So this was the second year. Third year is going to get better. Hopefully more cars will come down and more people will experience CamaroCon. But it was great. Well, I think we'll plan this kind of stuff as well better. So maybe we could do another Palomar run so more cars can come. Wait, quite a few cars. We got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 cars. I was thinking we'd have more than that, but it is what it is. So thank you again, everybody. If you guys enjoyed this content or want to see more stuff about Camaros, hit that subscribe button. If not, likes, comments, shares appreciated. But until next time, I'll see you
On the road.
Just CHP officer will come right around that corner.